Good day everyone, I'm Mr. Benjamin Apilianes, your math teacher. Today I will be teaching you the tricks in multiplying two-digit number without using a calculator. The tricks in multiplying two-digit number without using a calculator. Number one, this is all about two digits times two digits multiplication. This is a technique. There's a pattern at the top. First step is vertical multiplication followed by cross multiplication, then last step is vertical multiplication. For example number 1, 54 times 33. Vertical multiplication first, 5 times 3 is 15, bring down 15. Next is cross multiplication, 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3 times 4 is 12, add, that is 27, bring down 7, carry 2. Last is vertical multiplication, 4 times 3 is 12, bring down 2, carry 1, add, bring down 2, 7 plus 1 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, bring down 1. So the product of 54 times 33 is 1782. So just follow the pattern, vertical, cross, vertical. Right, example number 2, 88 times 57. So first vertical multiplication, 8 times 5 is 40, bring down 40. Next is cross multiplication, 8 times 7 is 56, plus 5 times 8 is 40, add, that is 96, bring down 6, carry 9. Last is vertical multiplication, 8 times 7 is 56, bring down 6, carry 5, add, bring down 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, bring down 0, carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So therefore the product of 88 times 57 is 5016. Right, let us proceed to example number 3. 29 times 48. First is vertical multiplication. 2 times 4 equals 8. Bring down 8. Next is cross multiplication. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 4 times 9 is 36. Add 16 plus 36 is 52. So bring down 2, carry 5. Next is vertical multiplication. 9 times 8 is 72. So bring down 2, carry 7. Then add. Bring down 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 8 is 13. So therefore the product of 29 times 48 is 1392. Example number 4. 94 times 36. First step is vertical multiplication. 9 times 3 is 27. Bring down 27. Next is cross multiplication. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 3 times 4 is 12. Add 54 plus 12 is 66. Bring down 6, carry 6. Last is vertical multiplication. 4 times 6 is 24. Bring down 4, carry 2. Add. Bring down 4, 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. Bring down 3, carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So therefore the product of 94 times 36 is 3384. For example 5 and 6, it is left to you as your exercises. Right, that's all for this day. Thank you for watching. Right, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.